Good morning, adventure seekers. February 8th already. Check out the Santa Maria River. See what's going on down here. See what the riverbed looks like. Sparky's chomping at the bit. Go for a little walk anyway. See if we can find a quick, easy access down there. Adventure seekers. Seems like a reasonable way to get down to the actual water. Let's check it out. See what it looks like. A few weeks after the big storm, had one other rain. But it looks like it's still flowing pretty good all the way up here at Tepusquet Road. Let's see what we got. Adventure seekers, Santa Maria Riverbed definitely has some serious tracks down here. Some kind of wild animal around, that's for sure. Kinds of tracks. Novel to actually see this river flowing. But here she is in all her glory. Santa Maria River actually doing something besides being bone dry. Don't see this too often, folks. So might as well document it. Might as well document the flow of the river here. You don't see it too often, I'll tell you that. Actually pretty peaceful, quiet place. Nice. Not too often that we get to enjoy a flowing Santa Maria River. Actually, not too many places to actually enjoy it, though, either. Pretty cool, though. I'd like it. Neat place to be. Come on, dog. Well, there you have it, adventure seekers. Sparky's happy about it too. Not too often you get to see the picturesque Santa Maria River. I like it. Alright, stay tuned. Maybe I'll go get an inflatable raft and see if I can go down this thing. Yeah, right. Good luck with that. Alright, we better skedaddle from here. See what the kind of adventures we can find. But just wanted to document up close February 8th, 2023, Santa Maria River.